Hello, plant lovers! Are you ready to take your home gardening to a thrilling new level? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of carnivorous plants and how you can create eye-catching terrariums with them. Let's get started. Venus Flytrap. Let's kick things off with the ever-popular Venus Flytrap. Native to American wetlands, these little wonders are not just easy to care for, but also add an exotic touch to any terrarium. Sundew. Up next is the Sundew. Perfect for open terrariums, the Sundew's leaves are covered with sticky tentacles that make it a formidable predator. Its unique trapping mechanism is sure to be a conversation starter. Bladderwort. Meet the bladderwort, a fascinating addition to any aquatic terrarium. This plant traps its prey in underwater bladders, offering a distinctive touch to your mini ecosystem. Albany pitcher plant. If you're mimicking a wetland environment, the Albany pitcher plant is a must-have. Its large water-holding pitcher-shaped leaves offer both form and function, making it a superb choice. Tropical pitcher plant. For those wanting to replicate a tropical setting, look no further than the vibrant tropical pitcher plants. Their colorful leaves will add a pop to your terrarium. Butterwort. Compact and effective, butterworts have fleshy leaves covered in trapping hairs. Their small size makes them an excellent choice for any carnivorous plant terrarium. Trumpet pitchers. Introduce the trumpet pitchers to your terrarium for a touch of elegance. Their trumpet-shaped leaves filled with liquid are both beautiful and functional. Sun pitchers. Last but not least, the sun pitchers. Native to South America's highland bogs, their sunny hues make them perfect for bright, low-maintenance terrariums. So there you have it. These carnivorous plants are not just captivating to watch, but also incredibly easy to incorporate into terrariums. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more intriguing plant content. Until next time, happy gardening!